Good morning to one and all. Myself Shivanand Hanumant Gowdanwar. I am from Gokak Education Society's College of Education Gokak, studying in first semester. I am here before you to share some thoughts about sets and relation. Under the topic called sets, it mainly consists of definition, examples, and non-examples. Under the topic named relation, it mainly consists of definition and examples. Moving forward, first and foremost, we have to see what does a set means. A set is a well-defined collection of distinct objects. I repeat once again. A set is a well-defined collection of distinct objects. Here you can see that two words are underlined. Those two words are very important. Without these two words, the definition is incomplete. First word is well-definedness. It means there is no ambiguity or confusion about the inclusion of elements or objects. Here there is no room for randomness. Second one is distinctness. It means the objects which are belonging to the set must be unique or different from one another. Here there is no room for repetition. I hope you understood the definition. Then moving forward, we can see some examples here. First one is set of all natural numbers. Here we can denote set of all natural numbers by bold N. And second one is set of all integers. We can denote it by bold Z. And third one is set of all real numbers. We can denote it by bold R. Set of all real numbers is superset of set of all natural numbers, set of all integers, set of all rational numbers, and set of all irrational numbers. And we can also see some non-examples. First one is set is denoted by capital letter A, which contains elements in the form 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. It is not forming a set because here two elements are repeated. Those two are 2 and 1. Similarly, for the second set also. Set containing elements in the form -1, +1, -1, and +1. And third example is collection of great people in the world. It doesn't form a set because there is a confusion or ambiguity about the inclusion of great people in the world. I hope you understood definition, examples, and non-examples. Moving forward, here we can see definition of relation. Before going into the definition of relation, we can see some concept of Cartesian product of two sets. Cartesian product of two sets is nothing but consider a two non-empty sets A and B. Then Cartesian product of A and B is denoted as A cross B and defined as a set containing elements in the form of order pairs where the first element belongs to the first set and second element belongs to the second set. I hope you understood the definition of Cartesian product of two sets. Here comes the definition of relation. A relation between two sets is a collection of order pairs containing one object from each set. If the object X is from the first set and the object Y is from the second set, then the objects are said to be related if the order pair X, Y is in the relation. The definition meaning is nothing but let R be a relation, then there exists a map from A cross B to A. Then the Cartesian product of AB or A cross B is a collection of elements in the form of order pairs where first element coming from first set and second element coming from second set such that the order pair belongs to the relation. Next, they have said that a function is a type of relation. We can come across this in the next class. Moving forward, we can see some example. Let us consider two non-empty sets. First one is A and the second one is B. The set A consists of elements A, B, C and the set B consists of elements X, Y, Z. Then the Cartesian product of AB or A cross B is a set containing elements in the form of order pairs AB where first element coming from set A and second element coming from set B. Let us consider Cartesian product of A cross B. Here the set consists of elements in the form of order pair. First one is order pair AX, second one is order pair BX, third element is CX, fourth is AY, fifth is BY, sixth is CY, seventh is AZ, eighth is BZ, and ninth is CZ. Then we define a relation is nothing but a mapping from A to B. Then a relation is nothing but a subset of A cross B. It can be represented by notation R, capital R. This consists of elements in the form of order pair. First one is order pair AY, second one is order pair BZ, and third one is CZ. A relation is nothing but a subset of A cross B. I hope I hope everyone understood the concept of sets and relation. Thank you.